Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Shopee account. So if you also want to log into your Shopee account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your shop application. Now you can see over here, you'll directly be redirected to a browser. All you have to do is enter your email address. Simply tap on the email address box and enter your email address. You can see over here my email address is already written. After you enter the email address, all you have to do is tap on the continue button that you can see right over here. Now a code will be sent to your email. Simply open your Gmail application. You can see over here an email has been sent to you. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see your verification code over here. All you have to do is memorize it. Now go back to the shop application. Now enter the code. Now you can see over here you've been logged into your account. So that is how you log in Shopee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.